Ito yung nakakatakot about Jonah and the big fish. Napansin mo ba, most people think the scariest part of Jonah's story was when he was swallowed by a giant fish.
Yo, gastusin mo yung pera mo. Yes, save money. Yes, invest. Yes, build wealth. Bro, I'm all about building wealth.
Ito real talk lang. Hindi dahil kaya nila, kaya mo din. Not everyone is built the same. And that's a fact. You can train like the best, right?
5 signs na pera ng habol sa'yo ng kalin mo. Real talk, hindi lahat ng nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo, ikaw talaga ang gusto. Minsan, yung lifestyle mo lang. Number 1,
Hindi dahil naghirap ka, deserve mo na. May mga tao na naniniwala na dapat nilang paghirapan sa isang bagay para maramdaman nila. Deserve nila.
ano bakit nag-usapan ka nila?
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000
Hindi lahat ng opportunities, good opportunities. Minsan, distraction lang sila na humihila sa'yo palayo sa totoo mong calling. And here's the truth. You can increase your savings if you do these 3 secret habits. Hindi mo kailangan maging kuripot. Hindi mo kailangan tanggalin lahat ng saya sa buhay mo. I hope you don't lose someone forever before you understand how important they are in your life. Hindi mo kailangan laging maging malakas. Real talk lang. There comes a point in life when the hardest storm will hit. And guess what? Ingatan mo yung mga ganitong klaseng kaibigan. Have you ever met someone who makes you uncomfortable? Not because they're rude, but because they see right through you.
Naisip mo ba, bakit mas masarap bigyan yung mga taong hindi mahilig manghingi? Pansin mo, madalas yung mga taong hindi mahilig manghingi, sila pa yung mas masarap bigyan.
I just want to remind you that it's okay to rest. Okay lang magpahinga. Okay lang to disconnect with everyone so you can talk to yourself. Kung excited ka pumasok sa trabaho at excited ka rin umuwi, you are already winning in life. Alam mo yung bihira sa panahon ngayon, you wanna know why successful people work more than you? Mas masipag sila sa'yo, mas marami silang ginagawa kaysa sa'yo. And it's not about the money anymore. It's not.
I love this one. Healing is your responsibility even if the wound wasn't your fault. Hindi lahat ng sugat kasalanan mo. May
3 signs na hindi ka alipin ng salapi. Una, hindi ka bumibili para patunayan na successful ka. Kasi kung kailangan mong magmukhang mayaman para marespeto ka, yung taong hindi ka iniwan, kahit ilang beses mo nang nasaktan, mag-iingat ka dyan. They're the type of people willing to change part of themselves. 5 bagay na dapat mong tigilan to become successful and rich Filipino in Australia or kahit saan man sa mundo. Unang-una, nahihirapan ka bang humanap ng love life? Kung hindi ka pinanganak na pogi o maganda at nahihirapan ka makahanap ng relationship,